Richarz Repair is a heavy equipment, heavy truck repair shop in Larchwood, Iowa. We run 5 service trucks for heavy equipment. We do everything possible on heavy equipment except tires and paint. We rebuild components here in the shop and on the road. We cover the Midwest 450-mile radius of Larchwood, Iowa, and serving all the dairies, construction, feedlots, anything with heavy equipment. We do over the road trucks, engine overhauls, transmissions, you name it, we can get it done for you. I started the business in 2010, put a service truck together to take care of some customers. Got my first employee in 2011, first time full-time employee. And in 2012, we moved to a facility that we had built outside of Larchwood. It was a 180 by 80 foot deep shop, 3 big bays for multiple machines and trucks. 2015, we added on another 180 by 90 to move into the truck industry to get more room. Of course, we got more employees, added a couple service trucks in that period of time. Then last year we expanded into another building where we do all our heavy equipment, the big projects, line boring of all the booms and any line boring project on site that we do here. We're now expanding into the used loader market for parts. Most of the parts are expensive to buy new, so we decided to go into this market because it's more affordable to buy a good used part. Got my first full-time employee in 2011. Now we're at 45 people. We could use 8 to 10 more people to expand the business more. Always looking for qualified candidates. We train. We like people that like to get their hands dirty and get the job done. On a daily average, we have probably 10 to 12 machines, heavy equipment being worked on throughout the heavy equipment shops. We have 10 to 12 heavy trucks being overhauled. In 2019, we added on our truck facility, and we thought there was a need for running trucks on a dyno. So on the dyno machine, we can test horsepower, we can break in trucks, we can simulate for going down the road in a standard position, which is a big tool for our business. Here at Richarz Repair, we value our customers. We support customers that support us. Every person that comes in for our parts department, if they have a little kid with them, what we will do is we have a little plastic toy or a little metal toy of a loader or an excavator or something, just to get those kids thinking about this industry for the future.
First off, I'd like to congratulate Richarz Repair in Larchwood on their 2026 Venture Award. It's well deserved. Lyon County is proud of you and everything you've done for the community, and hope to see great things to come in the future. We nominated Richarz Repair for several reasons. When things get tough, they've opted to stay in Lyon County. Being real close to South Dakota, there had to be a lot of enticing reasons to leave, but their commitment to community in the town of Larchwood in the county of Lyon made me want to nominate them. They're steadily growing throughout the years. They're always worried about what appears to be employee well-being. We get a phone call that they got to do a service upgrade because they're adding air conditioning to the shop. They're worried about employee retention, and that says a lot from the outside looking in on why they deserve such an award. Once they get done with one of their new expansions, one of their new projects, we see their need to grow further. They're continually looking for new employees, whether it's shop or office. We see what they do with Career Day and trying to retain local high school students, get them trained, get them educated, and show them that they can have a really good quality of life here in Northwest Iowa. Then they don't have to leave the state or the county. They can stay here, make a good living, and enjoy everything that Lyon County has to offer. Once again, on behalf of Lyon REC, the board, and its members, we'd like to congratulate Richarz Repair on a well-deserved Venture Award. We look forward to doing business with you in the future.